Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the Series S and signing into the profile you game with. This matters because game mode is profile and display specific. Once done, pick up your controller and press the Xbox button to open the guide. Navigate immediately to Profile and System, then Settings. This jumps you into the console configuration where game mode lives. Make sure your TV or monitor is set to the input for the console so you can confirm changes instantly and avoid toggling inputs later. Once in Settings, go to General and select TV and Display options to control how the Series S outputs video. This is where the visual latency features are grouped. Navigate down to Video Modes. You'll see Game Mode listed among Auto HDR and Variable Refresh Rate. Enabling Game Mode reduces input lag by prioritizing low latency processing. Make sure the console detects your display's best resolution and refresh rate first, because Game Mode's effect depends on matching settings and an appropriate signal. Now toggle Game Mode on within Video Modes. You'll get immediate confirmation, and the console will optimize processing for lower latency. You should test with a responsive title to sense the difference. Aim for a consistent feel rather than chasing fractions of a millisecond. If you need to revert, turn it off and compare. Troubleshooting. If visuals degrade or input issues appear, power cycle the Series S and check your TV's firmware and game mode setting. Some displays must have their own game mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.